Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Explorer headlight. Disconnect the negative battery terminal first and work with safety in mind. Remove the grille or trim pieces as needed to access the headlight housing, keeping fasteners organized. Use a socket to undo mounting bolts, then gently pull the housing forward to expose the bulb and wiring harness. Replace the bulb or assembly, reverse steps, and reconnect the battery to test the lights. Open the hood and stand in front of the vehicle to view the mounting points clearly. Remove plastic clips or screws on the grille, splash shield, or inner fender as required for your model. Work methodically so clips and bolts do not get lost, and place them in a tray or magnetic dish. Once access is clear, inspect the housing for electrical connectors and mounting bolts before attempting to unbolt the assembly to avoid surprises. Unplug the wiring connector carefully and twist out the bulb socket if you are replacing just the bulb. If removing the whole headlight assembly, support it with one hand while removing the mounting bolts with the other. Gently ease the assembly free from its mounting points, watching for tabs that may snag. Place the assembly on a soft surface to prevent scratches, then swap in the new bulb or assembly, reconnect the harness, and test the beam pattern before final reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.